What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, no, my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. Of course, this song is called Natural Disaster by Chris Brown. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. You go from here. So for this one, you're gonna push to your right. Push straight your legs. 1, up, and 2. Shoulder to the front, elbow. 5, up. 3, nod, 4. Copy? One more time that part. 6, 7, and push. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Next, from here, you're gonna pull yourself. 5, 6. Cross down. 7. And 8. That one is quick. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, nod on 4, 4, 5, 6, in 7, and 8. Alright. By the way, for this one, you're gonna go cha, cha. Again, 7, 1, cha. So from here, go 5, 6. Yes, let's try one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and push. 1 and 2, 3, nod on 4. Pull yourself. 5, 6. Alright, then in on 7, open, and 8. Next! So after 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 from here. Next, so you're gonna go point 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more time. Let's make it clear. 7 and 8. Point down 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Did you see, guys? From here, close. 3, 4. So from here, stay here. Your right, make a circle. 5. Overhead, down. 6, 7, and 8. Roger. Let's do it one more time. Super slow. 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Overhead. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's do it quick this time. Faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's try first and second 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next, from here. So from here, 7, 8, you're gonna go, we'll change. 1, up, right, 2. 2, put your weight to your right. 3, push 4. Go 5, in 6. This one is 7 and the 8. Alright? That's sharp. We go from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. See my left. 4. Go 5. Relax down. Collapse on 6, 7, and 8. It goes like this. 7 and 8. 7 and then 7, 8. One more time. Let's do it faster this time. So 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try 1, 2, and third 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, go. 5, 6, in. 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Alright, next, from here, 7 and 8. So you gotta push yourself, push your left foot to the front. So 7 and go. 1 and, alright, 2, back on 3, 4, copy, one more time, 6, 7, 8, up, 1 and 2, back, 3, so your knee, 3, cross, 4, and this one, shoulder, 5, and cross again, 6, push this one up, 7, change weight on 8. Yes, let's try again. So 7 and 8. Push 1 and 2. Step back, 3. Cross 4. Shoulder 5 and 6. Up 7. Change on 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, push 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. Alright guys, let's start from the beginning. All of it. By the way, we have additional on this one. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? 7, 8, you gotta close and go 1, 2, 3, and close. Alright? Only that part. So, from the beginning. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder 6, 7, 8, and 1. Oh, very good! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also don't forget to comment, like, and share my videos. Alright? If you want to check other videos, you just go to my channel, go to playlist, tutorial, dance. We have a lot there. Alright? See you next time. Bye bye.